welcome to another exciting episode. In this episode, we'll discuss how to use Irfan View to extract Google 3D data and create a 3D mesh file. We'll use the Irfan View and Pix4D mapper. So let's just get started. So I've selected the Footscray Park as a site. It's in Melbourne, and first we'll create the path using Add Path tool. But before that, we need to make sure that every other layers are turned off except for 3D buildings and terrain. So we'll just add path and just give path to where the camera will rotate and grab pictures for the 3D mesh. We just have to make sure that the grid is relatively small and so that it captures images which are more clear for the mesh. Once that's done, you just need to name it. ABC. Then also we have to take care of the altitude. You just change this to the relative to the ground, and we have to just make sure that the camera isn't isn't going through the buildings. And here, as you can see, by mistake I clicked and added some extra paths. So by right clicking you can just remove the last selected path, and the camera angle should be close enough but not intersecting any building. So the more it's close, the more the image will be clear, and we're good to go. Then we'll just let the camera play. So it will start. So here the camera will follow the path. So after opening Irfan View, we'll just go to options and capture screenshot. The shortcut is C. Here we can adjust the custom screen capture area, or the area which we basically want to capture. We don't need to add the logo and extra stuff on the screen. So we'll just select the custom rectangle and select the particular area which we want to capture. And here we can select the timer. At what time do we want our screen to capture images. So that depends on the speed and the area which it's covering. And this is the stop timer capturing after XX shots. So I sort of randomly put 800 so that it doesn't stop until and unless the camera stops. So this is like 800, and we'll just give the file location where it's gonna save those images, and we'll just press start, and the camera will start capturing images. So now the camera has started capturing images and will play, but we have to make sure that this path is turned off, and we'll start. So after it has captured all the images, we'll go back to Irfan view. After the capturing is complete, you'll be able to find the screenshots in the desired folder, and now we have to go to Pix4D mapper and import all those, upload all those images over there, and it will start creating the mesh in Pix4D mapper, and we'll select a new project. It's great. Next, uh, we'll add the images. Next, okay, next, okay, next. Then we have to select the output option. I'll go with this one. Next. So once this is done, you'll be able to see the model. So we'll just turn off the cameras, the rays, and turn on the triangle mesh. Also, the more the camera is slow and close to the height, like with low altitude, the model will be much more clearer. Uh, it was a quick demonstration, so the model isn't that clear, but yeah, something like that.